So, morning. It is currently, let's have a look what the time is. Oh my god, is that early? It's still dark. I don't have to get up this early for work. So, it's 5 to 4 in the morning. I'm sitting outside Greg's house and we are heading down to Wales today. I've got a survival weekend booked, which starts tonight at 7:45. So we thought we'd take our fishing gear down, obviously. We're meeting up with Gareth Giffiths this morning at 8 o'clock. Try and get some blonde rays. One fish I've never caught before, so yeah, we're up extra early today. Make sure we're down there. It's a 4-hour drive for us from Kent down to Wales. So yeah, I'm buzzing really. Let's see how we get on. Oh yeah? Right, so we are fishing. Fishing in Wales somewhere. Got Gareth over there singing wherever he is. There he is. Our guide for the day. Been here about an hour and a half, but it's just been hectic. Keep snapping off, keep stuck. Gareth's had a tope, I've had a couple of bites, keep missing them. Craig, how you feeling?
Yeah, what mate?
Craig's getting a bit angry because he keeps snapping off. I've got loads of baits today. Targets are the blondes, but any fish will do me. As long as the fish I don't normally catch, really. Eels, like a big eel. But yeah, it's kinda alright-ish. Just had a bite. Baits are squid, bluey, sand eels, got a bit of carp. So yeah, let's catch some fish. So we're fishing. The man himself, Gareth, he's caught his first fish and he's only gone and caught a tope from the channel.
Nice little baby tope.
Not used to catching them that small, are you?
No. One of my favourite fish. Crap love this rock once you leave.
Is that right? My wheel, I think.
What?
Nothing big. Maybe a dogfish.
I haven't seen a dog yet for fucking weeks, mate.
More eel. Baby eel. That's a fish, it ain't a blank. No, that's on my phone. If you're going to pose with my eel I just caught.
Yeah.
So this is the guide showing us how it's done.
Is it over yours, mate?
Yeah, it's alright.
Actually.
What are we saying then? Eel, Ray?
Don't know either, or maybe it could be any in that fight.
Yeah, it's there. That's a big eel.
I'll run into the ledge, no. Have a look over the lift up to me so we can get that. We're going to take it wrong there and run it the leg. See how it's up? See how it's up? Yeah, but if you grab it, it's just going to come off. You'll probably come off and off. If you grab it, it'll come off. So I have to run it the leg. Footage for you.
And that's done, eh?
Looks about £3 guy.
What's that?
It looks about £3.
Just opened this pack of squid from Ammo, and look what I found.
Nice blue in squid bait, lads. Big one.
That's what I'm going to go for next, I think.
Yeah, one rod and then double.
A little fish.
The other rod.
Another little eel.
Toe.
Lovely. Yeah, I've got that. Nice one.
So squeeze him to her.
My first tope from the shore. So that's my first tope from the shore. What's it do? So that's us. First mark done. Cut a little tope. Eel. Gareth had a nice fish, nice eel. Gonna go to another mark now. Don't know where it is or what it's called. Gonna fish to high, till high water, and then we've got to go because we're doing our survival weekend in the Brecon Beacon. So yeah, we can only fish till 6. So we do that. I hope to catch a few more fish. So we'll see you there. And we're back. New mark. Gonna fish tied up for a couple of hours here. It's Craig. Gareth in already. Targets, small wide rays, and as you can see, it's raining. But it won't put us off. We've literally got a couple of hours, not waste of time. So the time is 20 past 3. We've got to be leaving here by 6 to go and meet up with our survival expert, Jeff, I think his name is. So what I'm going to do is just speed fish, cast out every 20 minutes, and yeah, hopefully catch a small hard ray. Never caught one before. We're using pulley rigs, and I've got half a nonce and a strip of squid on a long pulley on both of them. Currently got a birdie that I've got to sort out, so I'll get that sorted, and yeah, hopefully we'll catch some fish. So What is the chances of coming to the Bristol Channel fishing and your reel snapping? We level one, snap clean off. That bit there, gone. So I'm on the Millionaire now. Not really an ideal reel for around here, but got to go with what we got. Got a couple of hours left. Conditions ain't the best. Camping's going to be fun this weekend, tell you that.
That's what you mean.
So guys, if you want to get a day's guiding with Gareth, how are they going to find you?
Add me on Facebook. I'll get my number off you. Sorted.
That's it, just hit me up guys. Right, thanks for watching. I know we didn't catch too many fish, but yeah, we're still happy. Catch you next time.